Good morning everyone! Maayong buntag sa inyonan. This is Farmer Alan of Summers Farms, Zamboanga del Sur. So nandito to ngayon sa ating farm who's been around for 18 years. 18 na katuig na ito. And we are very proud na we exemplify biodiversity. We practice regenerative agriculture with a focus on agroforestry here. We have several tree crops and several aromatic crops. So we have rubber tree, we have coffee, we have agarwood, aromatic crops, and soon cacao. Dito namin ipinapakita na merong standards and best practices sana, no? Especially sa agarwood like what we have here. Okay? This is only 1 year old and 6 months. So you might ask, bakit ganyan kalaki? And actually, naputulan na namin to. We were trimming this, no? Ito ang resulta ng best practices kung gagawin natin yun. Okay? And kami, in partnership with Agarwood A to Z, Monreal Consulting, is offering to the Philippines our best practices para maganda ang pag-alaga mo sa puno mo, okay? At madali mo siyang ma-monetize. Maganda ang quality eventually. So sana we are hoping na we can come up with a Philippine Agarwood brand by sharing best practices, no? Para lahat kasi sa ibang bansa po ang agarwood po, no? Ang agarwood ay ina-classify by countries. So merong Vietnam agarwood, Cambodia agarwood, Malaysian agarwood, Philippine agarwood is best known also, but as a wild. So yan ang problema natin. Alam naman natin na protected species, no, ang mga agarwood, at hindi pwedeng kunin ang nasa wild. So now, how do we measure up? How do we compete with our Southeast Asian neighbors? They've been into agarwood for decades now. How can we compete? We can by coming up with our own Philippine Agarwood brand. And that can only happen if we will apply best practices, come up with standards, and develop our own agarwood industry. Hindi po pwedeng kanya-kanya. Dapat sama-sama tayo, magkaisa tayo, so that we can compete or at least be at par. Number 1 dyan, ang ating skill sets. Paano ba ang tamang pagpapalaki ng agarwood? Kasi kung hindi po natin mapapalaki yan, wala po tayong harvest. How we manage our agarwood trees will determine the quality. So the quality means may katapat yan na presyo. So if we understand this, then we will be able to come up with a strategy for a Philippine agarwood brand and be at par with the quality and the skill sets of our Southeast Asian counterparts ng mga agarwood farmers din. So again, this is Alan Monreal of Summers Farms and Agarwood A to Z Monreal Consulting. I enjoin everyone, those who are newbies, aspiring, and those who have already pioneered and blazed the trail for agarwood farming to come together. Let us come together and help come up with a Philippine agarwood brand and developing our local agarwood industry na equitable, inclusive, and sustainable. So, join me in this path and I'm sure we will go a long way. We have the world for the taking. Thank you.